This is the 2005 Goodman GSH13 heat pump in Tennessee. And I have my temperature gun with me because I wanted to do a little bit more of an in-depth video of measuring the temperature on this unit, because I don't think I did much of it on the last video I made at this unit. You can see there, copper coils are frozen again. And there's ice building back up. It's probably about 50 degrees right now or so. So it's a lot cooler than it was when I made the last video of it. Trying to find a way to balance the flashlight, the camera, and this temperature gun. Not going to be easy, but we'll give it a go. Here we go. See if it drops by putting it on. There we go. Just wanted to see if the temperature on this thing would drop when I pointed at the ice in there, which clearly it did. Now let's see what the temperature at the coil is, because I don't think I measured that last time. It should be about 30 degrees based on the outdoor temperature. But given that this is low on refrigerant, I might get different results. .43 degrees, 42. It's about what I expected. And then the suction line, which was about 135 degrees last time I measured it. Still hot, but nowhere near as hot as it was last time. And then here's your data sheet again. December 2005, 2 ton. It's been running for about 30 minutes. It might kick into a defrost here in a second, but it also, I honestly don't think I recall this thing defrosting when it was 50. It might actually be in the high 40s now. Let's see what the temperature of that ice is. You would think it'd be below freezing. Yeah, there we go. And then these two probably won't be running for a while, because it did actually get warm enough today to the point where I actually considered turning on the air conditioning, like running these units in cool mode. The upstairs, as last time I checked, was at 75 degrees. It's probably dropped a degree or two at this point, and this one was at 73. So these will not be running for a while, because I am not going to set the heat to 75 or above to get these units to turn on. I'm hoping. Oh wow, I do not think that ice was there when I first started recording. Yeah, there's more building up right now as I make this video. And one other thing that I discovered is that I think that these heat pumps might be hybrid heat systems, because I looked back on my last video of these systems, and notice right there it says furnace, so I believe that this is dual fuel. And I'm hoping I can get one more defrost cycle out of this unit. And it has a GE fan motor. Trying to see what it rotates at. Looks like it says, yeah, I think this rotates at 815 RPM. This one looks like it has a newer motor. Also 815 RPM. See about the train. 850. So they're all pretty much the same speed. And this one has a Gentech motor instead of the GE. Oh yeah, it's freezing up even more. Just gonna go ahead and read the temperature coil of the coil on this side, and then I'll go ahead and go inside and show the indoor unit. Not really that cold. Let's measure the air one more time. And I'm not even pointing it at the compressor, that's just the temperature of the air. It'll probably go up once I point it at the compressor. Just like that. Just for the hell of it, let's go ahead and get this side. It's probably going to be about the same, but curiosity kills the cat. It's set to 70 degrees right now. It's keeping up, but it's running constantly, like it has been since I got here. It has very similar problems to the heat pump, the Goodman heat pump I have back at home. I guess this is the indoor unit for the train. I didn't think they replaced the indoor system. Thought they only changed out the outdoor unit. So I guess that furnace. I'm gonna try to see if this is a furnace as well. I don't know if this is a dual fuel system as well, like the other one. But I think that furnace under the house might be for the heat pump I just filmed running. There's your duct work. But this is the air vent for that same unit running, and as you can see, it's not very warm. So it definitely needs a charge of refrigerant. And that unit's right outside this window. I can hear it running. Just wanted to see if there's another vent there, but it doesn't look like there is. But yeah, not working very well. Here's another vent. Pretty much the same result. Definitely think this system should be looked at, because once we get further into the winter and temperatures start to drop into the teens and 20s, this basement area is not going to be kept warm at all. At that point, it will just be the other two units working the entire cabin. I completely forgot that I had this anemometer BT-100 thing with me that measures wind speed, so figured why not give it a go on this heat pump here. I'm thinking that since this is an 815 RPM motor, it's not going to be as strong. You might be able to see it better with the flashlight. Oh, wow. Not what I was expecting at all. And the light just went out on it. Trying to figure out how to turn it back on. There we go. I guess it stays on for a few seconds at a time. And I'm trying not to get the strap caught in the fan blades here, because that would not be a good situation. But that is not what I was expecting. Because the Heil heat pump at my dorm building has an 1100 RPM motor, and that was blowing at about 13 miles an hour. I'm guessing that maybe the blades on this unit are more thick, and that maybe contributes to the air being more powerful. Still seems to be freezing up a little bit more. But anyway, that was a temperature test on this 2005 Goodman 13-seer GSH 2-ton heat pump at the cabin I'm currently staying at in Sevierville, Tennessee. Thank you for watching, and over and out.